Hello guys, I hope everybody is live. Should I start?
Yeah.
So, hello friends, I am Monica Luthra from the city of Taj, Agra, and I have a YouTube channel by the name of Rabdi Rasoi. It is a pleasure to work with Amul, and it's really like I was a fan of Amul since I was a child, and playing with whenever I was to try something, I used to use Amul products. And so today I'm really happy that I've got the opportunity to work with Amul. So today I'm making paneer cheesa. So I will be needing cheese, then paneer, Amul paneer and Amul butter. Paneer cheesa is a kind of a pizza. Generally for a pizza base, we use a base which is made out of wheat or flour. So for a change, I'm taking paneer slices for my base, and I'll do some marination. And if you are a non-vegetarian, you can go for a chicken slice as well if you want to. So should I start? Everybody's live.
Yeah, everyone is live.
So these are 2 paneer slices, thinly sliced. So I'll take a bowl. In that I'll add around 3 teaspoons of curd. This is the marination which is going on, and if anybody has any query, you can come up with it. I'll add 2 teaspoons of corn flour. To this I'll add half teaspoon of garlic paste, some pizza seasoning to it, red chili powder according to taste, salt, we'll give a good stir to it. Corn flour is going to help us to bind the paneer when we coat it. I hope everybody is I'm audible. I'll take my paneer slices and I will just coat this mixture on the paneer.
Jalpa ji is asking that what are you making?
This is paneer cheesa. It's a healthy version of pizza. So friends, this is cornflakes and nachos which I have crushed. I'm going to put this on a plate.
What all you have added in the mixture?
This is
Could you please repeat?
Yeah, this is cornflakes and nachos which I've added.
In this mixture?
In this mixture,
yeah.
it is curd,
Yeah.
garlic paste, then red chili powder, corn flour and pizza seasoning, salt.
Okay.
This is all in it.
Okay.
And this is cornflakes and nachos mixture which I've crushed. To this I'll add some pizza seasoning. I'll take my slice very carefully because it's very soft, and I'm going to coat this with my nachos mixture very properly.
Ashumi Mehta ji is asking that where she can get all the ingredients properly online.
Yeah, I will surely post it, and you can check my YouTube channel as well, Rabdi Rasoi.
Seems so tempting.
Yeah, it is. It really turns out very good. If you don't want to make cheesa anytime, you can just fry it and serve it as a starter. So guys, my marination is done. We have to keep it for at least half an hour in the fridge. So I cannot wait for that long. So I've put this ready. I've made another piece for you and it's ready. Marinated and crusted very well. Now next what we're going to do is we'll add some oil to the pan. I hope I'm clear to everyone. If you have any queries, you can please come up with it.
Sumi ji is asking that please tell your name of YouTube channel again.
Rabdi Rasoi 24 by Monica Luthra. So let the oil heat a little bit. I'll put my slices in this. You can fry it as well, but I prefer shallow frying it.
One person is asking, is it cheese fillets?
No, it is paneer slices. It is Amul paneer, which I have sliced it. So my paneer pizza is sauteing. Let it fry nicely. So meanwhile, I'll tell you some other thing which I need for it. This is pizza topping. You can use any of it, or you can search a recipe for pizza topping in my YouTube channel as well. And this is pizza toppings which I'm going to put. This is capsicum, corns and onions which I've sauteed in butter, and I've sprinkled some pizza seasoning to it. This is going to give a little good flavor to the toppings.
Rinku ji is asking for how much long we have to keep these pizza slices in the fridge?
For half an hour.
For half an hour. And Sandhya ji is asking that are these recipes on your YouTube channel?
Yeah, they are. You can find many more of it. I believe in innovation and some fusion. So I keep on trying, and you can just go and see. There are many recipes with a very good plating types which I have shown. You can go on and you can check starters, healthy recipes. Everything is there.
And one person is asking that can we cover it with breadcrumbs instead of cornflakes?
Yes, you can, but the cornflakes gives a little crunchy flavor to it.
Okay.
But you don't forget to add the pizza seasoning, because seasoning is very much necessary.
Yeah, and Sudipto is asking that is it frying without oil?
No, I had added 1 teaspoon of oil. You can deep fry it if you want. You can use it as fingers. You don't want to make cheese.
And Miss Kangna is asking that what is the substitute of nachos crumbs?
You can add bread. You can even add rusk. If you don't have breadcrumbs, if you don't have nachos, you can add breadcrumbs. You can add rusk, which we use toast. You can crush it in the mixer, and you can add some pizza seasoning to it, some pepper to it, and if you have red chili powder, you can add that also. It is just basic that you have to give a little flavor to your base.
Okay.
That's the point.
Okay. Sumiji is also asking that is there any Insta page you have?
Yeah, I have, by the name of Rabdi Rasoi. So guys, I'm going to take it out. Very carefully we have to take this out, otherwise it will break. और अगर ऐसा हो भी जाता है कि समटाइम्स उठाते उठाते टूट जाए, तो जस्ट डोंट वरी. आप अपने पिज़्ज़ा जो सॉस लगाएंगे उससे आप उसको ऐसे ढंग से कवर कर दीजिए, और देखिए कहीं से भी आपका टूटा हुआ कुछ भी नज़र नहीं आएगा. एंड इट्स सच अ क्विक रेसिपी, बहुत जल्दी बनती है और बच्चों की फेवरेट है. एंड लॉकडाउन पीरियड में तो वी मॉम्स आर रियली वरिड अबाउट अवर किड्स के इनको नहीं देना है मैदा एंड हेल्दी फूड देना है, तो दिस इज द बेस्टेस्ट ऑप्शन.
And one more question.
Yes.
Miss Krishna is asking that pizza seasoning is oregano only?
No, it has many herbs in it. It has garlic powder, it has onion powder to it, it has red chili flakes in it. So I think आप सबके घर में होता है, जैसे Domino's या Pizza Hut से generally हमें मिलते हैं pouches. So we can go with that.
Okay.
ये मैं आपको पहले भी बता चुकी हूँ. I've sauteed all the toppings. इसको हल्का सा बटर में मैंने पहले से सॉटे करके रखा है, तो ये थोड़ा सा क्रंची फ्लेवर देती है और पकी हुई वेजिटेबल्स का बहुत अच्छा फ्लेवर आता है आपके पिज़्ज़ा में. अब मैं इसको टॉपिंग को डालूंगी.
People are again asking your YouTube channel name and Instagram
Rabdi
name,
Rabdi Rasoi.
and also the Instagram name. Insta
Rabdi
page.
Rasoi.
Okay.
Both are on the name of Rabdi Rasoi.
Okay, chef.
So I'll go with pizza cheese. अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप मोज़रेला और मैंने ये लिया है चीज़ स्प्रेड। चीज़ स्प्रेड से थोड़ा सा फ्लेवर इसका बहुत अच्छा आता है, बिल्कुल मेल्ट हो जाता है। तो इसको मैं अच्छे से इसको उठाकर या एक स्पून की मदद से इसको स्प्रेड करूँगी।
Ms. Kagna is asking that do teach us how to make pizza topping at home. It will be great learning from you.
I'm going to share the recipe and you can follow my YouTube channel and you'll get everything over there.
And how many updates you post in a week?
Every Thursday I post.
On YouTube.
Thursday. Yeah.
It seems so tempting.
Yes, it is. So finally, my cheese are ready to bake. So I've done a preparation earlier so that because baking takes a lot of time. So I've done the preparation. I'll show you people how it looks. So friends, this is my ready dish.
Have a look.
You
Cheese
can
is
serve
melted all over.
You can serve it with, you just cut it in strips and you can serve it. I hope you guys like my recipe, and if you like it, you can go to my Rabdi Rasoi page also, and you can have a look there on my channel as well. And if anybody has any query, you people are ready to ask me.
Yeah, people, you can ask whatever question is it. Everyone is saying that they will try this recipe at home.
Yes, sure. I want your reviews as well. Please do try it.
Miss Akira is asking that picture is coming hazy, the video is coming blur. So please write down the recipe. So we are going to share it on YouTube.
Yeah,
the recipe.
and over here on this page also I'll try to share it.
How much time we have to bake it and for at what temperature?
If you have to bake it at 200-degree temperature, around about 5 to 10 minutes, depends upon your oven's working. Because sometimes ovens जो होते हैं बहुत high temperature होता है, तो within 10 minutes भी हो जाता है। कई बार oven का temperature जैसे पुराना oven होता है, as I always say, तो वो temperature थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम ज़्यादा लेता है bake करने के लिए, और नया oven होगा तो वो बहुत जल्दी bake हो जाएगा। तो you have to keep an eye anyhow, क्योंकि हम इसको ऐसे नहीं छोड़ सकते। और आप इसको डीप फ्राई करके आज फिंगर्स भी सर्व कर सकते हैं। आप इसके साथ एक डिप बना सकते हैं, बहुत सिंपल सी डिप। आपके पास सबके घरों में मेयोनीज होगा, तो आप थोड़ा सा मेयोनीज लीजिए, उसमें थोड़ा सा गार्लिक का थोड़ा सा पेस्ट डाल दीजिए, जस्ट अ पिंच। थोड़ा सा रेड चिली सॉस डाल दीजिए, रेड चिली सॉस भी है तो आपकी टोमेटो केचप चलेगी। थोड़ा सा रेड चिली पाउडर डाल दीजिए या देगी मिर्च डाल दीजिए कलर के लिए, और उसको अच्छे से विप दीजिए और आपकी डिप तैयार। आप इस डिप को भी ये फ्राइज के साथ दे सकते हैं। आपको अगर चीज़ा नहीं खाना है समाओ, तो आप इसको इस तरह से भी सर्व कर सकते हैं। अगर आप नॉन वेजिटेरियन हो तो आप चिकन का बोनलेस पीस लीजिए, उसको मैरिनेट कीजिए, सेम वे आप उसको ऐसे भी बना सकते हैं।
One more question. Yes. That after putting cheese spread, do we need to micro the slices or what we have to do? Please repeat.
You have to bake it in the OTG or microwave, whatever आपको जो सूटेबल है, जो आपके पास है। अगर आपके पास दोनों नहीं है तो आप एक पैन में भी, जैसे ये पैन है, इसमें आप इसको ढक कर इसको कवर कर दीजिए और बिल्कुल सिम फ्लेम पे आप इसको पका लीजिए। चीज़ अपने आप मेल्ट हो जाएगी और लाल हो जाएगी। बस फ्लेम का ध्यान दीजिएगा कि फ्लेम आपकी स्लो हो।
And in that mixture, Miss Sandhya is asking that that was a normal curd or a hung curd?
It was a normal curd, a thick curd. क्योंकि ये होता है प्रॉब्लम कि अगर आप लोगे पतली कर्ड लोगे तो आपको उतना ही ज़्यादा कॉर्नफ्लावर डालना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज कोटिंग नहीं हो पाएगी प्रॉपर। आपका वो लूज होता जाएगा पनीर और आपकी कोटिंग प्रॉपर नहीं हो पाएगी।
And one more question is there, what we can use without oven? Could you please repeat again?
Yes, you can use.
Our audience is asking.
I'll show you. I think I have time now. I have time.
Yeah.
We have time. Okay, fine. See, friends, I'll show you. I put this in my pan and the flame is very slow. Right now I don't have any plate to cover it, so you just have to cover this so that the cheese melts down and my crust also gets little harder from the bottom. So this way is also you can do. Just see, your flame should be very slow. Be careful about that. If you don't have any oven or a microwave. Any other questions?
No, everyone is happy for your recipe and they are saying that they will try at home.
Thank you so much, and thank you so much, Amul, for choosing me, for believing in me. It is really a great day for me to be live on your page.
And please tell your YouTube channel name once again.
It's Rabdi Rasoi by Monica Luthra.
And Insta page as well.
Yeah, Insta page is also by the same name, Rabdi Rasoi.
So we are gonna end now.
Any more questions, please? We have time. Keep coming.
Which cheese we use? Ashima is asking. Miss Ashima is asking which cheese you used.
I used a cheese spread, but you can go with Amul mozzarella. I used Amul cheese.
We use
Cheese
this
spread.
Amul cheese
Yes.
spread.
Because this gives a very good texture. You know, when it breaks down, it just flows off. तो वो पिज़्ज़ा खाने का मज़ा ही तब आता है जब आपकी चीज़ बहती हुई आए, फ्लो होते हुए आए. So you can use anything, whatever you want.
Yeah, and Pooja ma'am is also asking that please tell us how to make cheese at home.
Cheese at home, yes, fine. I will surely put a recipe over it on my YouTube channel. Very soon I'm going to do that.
So you can check it on the YouTube channel.
Yeah. Please go on, friends. We have time and we can discuss about it. If you can see, the cheese is melting down in a pan also. If I would have covered it, it would have worked very soon. ऊपर से भी उसको थोड़ा सा स्टीम मिलता तो वो अंदर ही अंदर पूरा पक जाएगा. This ways.
So
Any other question?
no more questions right now. So we are gonna end now.
Thank you so much, guys. अभी भी अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछना है, we just have 1 or 2 minutes left. अगर आपको पूछना है तो आप पूछ
Connect
सकते
on
हैं.
Instagram. You can also connect on Instagram as well. Direct message to
Yes, you can
Rabdi Rasoi.
anytime message me on Insta. I have a page also on FB by the name of Rabdi Rasoi. So you have 3 options to connect with me. Any queries, any questions, you are welcome with that.
Yeah, one more question we have got. Last question that now cornflakes should be roasted.
No, normal cornflakes, you just have to crush it and add some pizza seasoning to it. अगर आपके पास pizza seasoning नहीं है, if you don't have, आप oregano भी डाल सकते हैं. You can add little bit flavor of salt, थोड़ा सा लाल मिर्च पाउडर डाल दीजिए, नहीं तो चिली फ्लेक्स डाल दीजिए. If you don't have pizza seasoning with you, हमें बस अपने क्रस्ट को थोड़ा सा फ्लेवर देना है, अच्छा सा फ्लेवर आ जाए, बस that's the thing. That is why we add pizza seasoning.
Yeah, one more question that pizza topping is pizza sauce.
No, it is pizza sauce and pizza sauce की pizza topping ये toppings ये होती है जो हम ऊपर से डालते हैं. Pizza sauce is this. अगर आपको pizza sauce की रेसिपी चाहिए तो I'll be posting it and meanwhile आप मेरे रब्दी रसोई YouTube चैनल पे जाके उसको देख सकते हैं.
Okay, so we are gonna end the video. So what you want to say to your viewers?
Thank you so much for watching. It was really fun and I hope you people enjoyed my video. And मैं आपके कमेंट्स का ज़रूर वेट करूँगी जब आप ट्राई करोगे. और प्लीज़ ट्राई कीजिए, अपने बच्चों को, अपनी फैमिली को पैम्पर कीजिए. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you so much, Amul, for choosing me. Thank you.
Okay.